Hello. A couple weeks ago I made a video on how to put netting and set up your garden beds. I also had one in the winter, how to put the frost and freeze protector cloth on your garden beds. So it's been a couple of weeks since I planted. Over here are beets, bok choy, and lettuces. And I put these hook clamps on the edge of the netting to hold it down. And I use these windmills or pinwheels so when the wind blows, it can deter the birds from coming. As you see, the wind is blowing. And I also put the netting on these long boxes. I showed a video on if you don't have a yard, you can plant in long boxes. These are squash and pumpkins, red curry. These will be peppers, more peppers. And again, I put the clips on the netting on the long boxes to deter little varmints from getting in. I also made a video on these mini hothouses. Let's see what's in here. You start your seeds in these hothouses, which are very nice. You know, those plastic containers. These are the tomatoes, peppers, this is a surprise. I don't know because the tag blew off. But again, I use these clips even on the edge to hold the netting down so critters don't get in. And these garden long boxes are up on a couple of pallets so you can sit in your chair and just lean in if you have back problems or elderly, or you just don't want to get dirty kneeling on the ground. Over here is basil, regular. This is Thai basil. It has a nice licorice scent, but it's very good in cooking. Those haven't come up yet. I like to graduate my garden planting a couple of weeks apart so I have a constant crop of something. More basil. In this whole bed here is carrots, and they are going to be a small short brand of carrots, short in length because the box is only about 7 inches. So these are a purple dragon carrot. Originally carrots were purple, and then we genetically modified the carrots into orange. Now over here I will plant the pumpkins against this pallet. So these are 2 pallets made into an A-frame, and the reason being is when these pumpkins start to grow, and I have netting over it, they'll crawl up this rope that I put here. The vines will crawl up lengthwise instead of on the ground. This way the critters won't have easy access. So you just lean 2 pallets together like an A-frame for squash or peas or beans to crawl up the vines. Now what you can do to deter birds and critters is take your foil pans, put a hole in it, string, and it'll wiggle and blow in the wind, and the light reflector, you know, will chase away the birds, and the noise, when it does that, will chase away the other little varmints. So this is the update on the summer garden beds. Give it a try. You don't need a lot of land, as obviously this isn't a lot of land. The land here is very clay-like. So if you have pallets, get a couple, put some long boxes on it. If somebody can give you some lumber, have the garden beds made. You get the hoops and the clips online. And also, besides the clanking tin pan to chase away the critters and the pinwheels to chase away the birds, I get these chimes and I hang it on a door hanger, so when the wind blows, if a groundhog or any animal wants to sniff out the vegetables, they might be timid and be chased away. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and please subscribe.